Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. I have decided to go back and start revamping some of my older videos. A couple reasons. YouTube is really not paying well right now, and so that'll kind of give me some content that I can put up instead of putting new videos up 3 times a week, because I just can't keep up that kind of content and do the kind of videos I want to do. Without further ado, let's get to it. These swivel heads here, they always get real loose after a while. It doesn't matter what brand you have. I've had a ton of them, from cheap ones to expensive ones, and after a while they always get a little bit wobbly. And when you're reaching down in, especially with one of these, you can't sit there and hold it and try and get it down in there. So what I did, and I'm sure I'm not the only one to ever do it, put some electrical tape, because electrical tape, see, it allows it to kind of swivel still, but you can, pivot that, get it down into where you want, and get it on there, and then yet it'll still swivel. You see that? It can still swivel here. And for like these bigger ones, this little one, you can use just regular electric tape. Even the bigger ones, you could use a regular electric tape, but this, I don't know. I don't know where I got this from, but it's a thicker size, and it's about the right size for that. And also, if you actually even take the tape all the way up, obviously that'll keep you from knocking it off on accident down in a tight spot. So. Well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.